Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Harry. This is the fifth video of the series how to make a vector music poster. So in today's video you're gonna see how to make an easy and simple vector music poster which contains a microphone and color halftone effect. So to make the poster we're gonna use basic tools like pen tool, ellipse tool, rectangle tool, scissor tool, blend tool and the last one shape builder tool. By hearing the tool's name you guys might be wondering, oh my god, so many tools. It is gonna be tough. Don't worry guys, it is very easy. Just stay tuned with me and watch the full video. Maybe you will learn something new in this video. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Take a new file, A4 size artboard, create. The color palette will be given in the description below. Now grab the rectangle tool, press M for shortcut and make a rectangle for the background. Take the same size as of the artboard, 210 by 297. Now go to window, align to artboard, horizontal align center, vertical align center, and then I for eyedropper tool, pick this color. Go to layers, lock this layer, create a new layer. Now let's create our microphone. So first of all we will make the upper part of our microphone. So grab the ellipse tool, press L for shortcut, press Alt plus shift and drag. Now pick this black color, bring it over here a little bit. Now P for pen tool and make a wavy line. Change it to stroke, pick this color, change it to stroke, go to properties, change the stroke strength to 8, just bring it over here. Now duplicate this, press Alt for duplication, and now once you have duplicated, press Ctrl D, it will automatically do the duplication. Go on pressing Ctrl D. We will group this, press Ctrl G to group, and we will bring it over here because it was not visible. Now ungroup it. We will just take the lasso tool, not lasso tool, take this one, press Alt for duplication, bring it over here, pick this one, press Alt for duplication and bring it over here, press Shift for multiple selection. Now change its stroke strength to 3. Okay, now press W for blend tool, click here and then here. Now double click on this blend tool, check the preview box on, change from smooth color to specified steps and increase the specified steps to 10. Now just bring it over here, change its angle, now we will just duplicate this ellipse, Ctrl C, Ctrl F to copy and paste in front, arrange, bring to front. Now we will again duplicate this, press Alt for duplication, change it to stroke. We will choose the stroke strength to 4. Now here do the clipping mask, press Ctrl 7 to do clipping mask, select this one and this one, press Shift for multiple selection and here align to selection, horizontal align center, vertical align center, and then just group it, press Ctrl G to group. bring it over here. We will just decrease the size a little bit. Press Alt plus Shift and drag. Press P for pen tool. Click over here. Click and drag. Close this handle. Click and drag. Click and drag and close the path. Click and drag. Now we will pick this color with the stroke. Okay. Now we will make the bottom part of this mic. Grab the rectangle tool, press M for rectangle and make a rectangle. Now these lines are very straight and boring, so we'll add some curves. Press A for direct selection tool, select this rectangle. Press C for scissor tool, select these anchor points, select this one. Press A for direct selection tool and then hit delete. Then press P for pen tool, select this anchor point and this one and just drag to make a curve. Okay. Now grab the direct selection tool, select this anchor point, move it to little bit this side and this one also to this side. Now you have to add some curves. Follow the same process. Select this rectangle, C for scissor tool, select this anchor point and this one and then press delete. Now grab the pen tool, P for pen tool, just click and drag. Okay. Now again grab the pen tool, just click and drag. Click to close the handle. Just click and drag. Close this handle. We will decrease its height a little bit. Now grab the direct selection tool and make adjustments with the anchor points. We will decrease its height a little bit more. Put it over here. Now simple mic shape is made. Now let's add some shadows. We will grab the pen tool and we will create some shadows. Just click and drag. Now we will fill with this black color and stroke to none. Now here I think I should move the handles a little bit. Okay. Grab the pen tool, P for pen tool. Click over here. Just click and drag. Click to close the handle and then close the path. Okay. Again press P for pen tool. Click and drag. Click on this anchor point to close the handle. Click and drag. Click on this anchor point to close the handle and then close the path. Okay, again press P for pen tool, click and drag, click on this anchor point to close the handle, click and drag, close the path. Now we have made shadows. We will just group this microphone, press Ctrl G to group. We will duplicate this belt, press Alt for duplication. We will pick this gray color. Okay, bring it over here a little bit. Now grab the pen tool, P for pen tool. We'll add a curve, so click and drag, close the handle, close the path. I for eyedropper tool, pick this black color, select both the shapes and then just trim it. Move it to this side. Okay, select both the objects, then go to shape builder tool, press Alt to delete this black part. Just bring it over here. We will change its blending mode. Choose from normal tool, multiply. We will change its opacity to 50%. Okay, now grab the pen tool, press P for shortcut. I will change it to stroke so that we can see what we are making. Now change it to fill. We will change this blending mode from normal to multiply and opacity from 100 to 50%. Now just group it, press Ctrl D to group. Now we will make its wire, so grab the rectangle tool, press M for shortcut and make a rectangle. Pick this black color. Now we will just round its corner. Now grab the pen tool and we will make a wire. Just click and drag. Change it to stroke. We will choose a stroke to 14. Okay, just bring it to this side in the middle. Okay, and just group it. Press Ctrl G to group. Now we will just copy and paste. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Bring this one to down. Change its angle. Increase its size. Press Alt plus Shift and drag. Oh no, its size is much bigger. We will decrease its little bit. So press Alt plus Shift and drag. Now just decrease its opacity from 100 to 10%. Okay, now we'll take a new layer, lock this layer. Now we will add color halftone effect. So press L for ellipse tool, press Alt plus Shift and drag. Okay, bring it over here. G for gradient tool. Now just adjust the angles You will choose the stroke color to none. Now just go to effect, pixelate, color halftone, maximum radius to 70, channel 1 to 20, channel 2 20, channel 3 20 and channel 4 20. Okay. Now just go to object, rasterize. Okay. Now go to window, image trace, check the preview box on. Okay, not cancel. Go to advanced option, click on this ignore white. Trace option is not visible, so I will click off this preview box and then trace. Okay. Now expand it and pick this white color. We will bring it to down. Okay. Now we will decrease its opacity. We will decrease it to 30. We will just change its angle a little bit. Okay. Now it's time to add some text. So grab the text tool, T for text tool. You will choose the font Assassin and size to maybe 93, and we will change the spacing to 100. Just click on your caps lock button. You will write music festival, so M. Now click off your caps lock button, USIC, music. Now we will pick this white color, just bring it over here, press Alt for duplication. Now we will change its characteristics. We will take the size 100 and the spacing to, we will leave it to 100. Now grab the text tool, T for text tool. Now we will write festival. Repeat the same process. First letter will be in caps lock, so click on your caps lock button. Now click off your caps lock button and write festival. You will bring it over here a little bit. Now we will write 2020. So grab the text tool, T for text tool. We will change its characteristics. We will change its size from 100 to 30 and spacing to 2530. Okay. Now we will change the font. We will choose Times New Roman and we will write 2020. Just bring it over here. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get all the notifications. And if you have any suggestions or any questions to ask, then you are free to comment below in the comment box.